repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. What we do repeatedly becomes a habit, and you are a participant in recognition and rewards program. Star Award educators like each one of you will also inspire new educators to get there. With great pleasure, we wish to inform that Sanjeevani World School Mumbai is organizing its signature event, Sanjeevani Seed of Knowledge Award.
स्वागतम आनंद मंगल मंगलम नितप्रिय भारत भारतम स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम अथ स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम सुनहरी सुबह में आप सभी का वेलकम.
To start every occasion with the lighting of the lamp. It is a tradition of lamp to be lit before starting any auspicious event or ritual. Light symbolizes. With great pleasure, we introduce our organizing team event. We have our associate partners with us.
Seeing zooming in and zooming out in different zooms. So I'm just running around seeing things are proper. So I'm very much here, but I am at the background and I am 100% confident I have such a empowered team who can take this entire morning forward with each one of you. I am thankful to our guests of honors who have joined us today from various parts of the country, and we'll keep on meeting, but rather than meeting officially, I will be unofficially meeting you as zooming in and zooming out.
संजीवनी सीट ऑफ नॉलेज अवार्ड. शिक्षक स्वयं कभी बुलंदियों पर नहीं पहुंचते, लेकिन बुलंदियों पर पहुंचने वाले को शिक्षक ही बनाते हैं. ऐसे टीचर्स के मेहनत, त्याग, समर्पण और बुद्धि कौशल का सम्मान करने के उद्देश्य से इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया है. एक समर्पित शिक्षक के आंतरिक सुंदरता की हम सराहना करते हैं. शिक्षक होने के नाते हम कितने सारी भूमिकाएं निभाते हैं. कभी हम शिक्षक होते हैं, कभी विद्यार्थी, कभी डॉक्टर, कभी काउंसलर, कभी मार्गदर्शक, कभी के केयर टेकर और कभी कभी तो हम पालकों की भूमिका भी निभाते हैं. लेकिन हम सभी कभी पीछे नहीं और अपना कर्तव्य निभा रहे हैं. संजीवनी वर्ल्ड स्कूल आप सभी के इन प्रयासों की सराहना करता है. हम कभी भी किसी को अपने प्रतिस्पर्धी के स्वरूप में नहीं देखते.
Brings over 2 decades of teaching and training experiences. Sir has authored over 50 books and is a certified trainer for quality circles, TQM in education, QCI standard for school accreditation, and Six Sigma in education.
Not do without the team. So you people are really great, and laurels to you all for this wonderful initiative. I also take this opportunity to thank the wonderful management and the.
And I think the Sanjeevani team is showing gratitude to you and building their mental ability and health. And I think in the same way, when you have gratitude for the recognition and appreciation that you are receiving, I think it helps you in your mental spaces in today's times, especially. These are not easy times that we're living in. We are currently, and this seems to continue even now, we thought that we would be done by now, but it doesn't seem to be so. So we have a slightly longer journey where we need to go through these challenging times.
Keep growing, keep inspiring and motivating us. Many congratulations to all educators. It is such a great honor to be all together and to share our opinions that have to do with education. Great and humble. Thank you very much.
And especially in this this pandemic time, I have seen their leadership, and it's just like, you know, I don't really have any words to say. And especially like Team Sanjeevani has become like a part of family, and this is my second time receiving an awards, and really congratulate each and everyone here. And I know that there are more deserving people all around the world as well, and I'm learning a lot from Team Sanjeevani. And
that I think that if a child can learn the way we teach, I think it is about time that teachers start teaching the way children learn. And I am so humbled to be here with so many luminaries. I have also been into administration, and I see so many administrators, so many change drivers, so many people around here having the same kind of ideology and thought process. Thank you, Sanjeevani, for bringing together so many stars under one sky. But it needed a sky like Sanjeevani to bring all of us together. So once again, thank you to the entire team. And I think that we always think we are nurturing a garden and we are good gardeners, but I think the garden is giving us so much back right now. So thank you so much, and let's keep empowering every learner that we come across, may it be a teacher or may it be a student. Thank you so much for today.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your words. Yes, every day is learning for all of us, and the legacy that we leave behind is going to be beautiful. Thank you once again, and heartiest congratulations. Up next, we have our next awardee is Aradhna Rana, ma'am. She's the principal from the Icon Public School. Ma'am, the founder principal of a senior secondary school. She's the author of 13 books on communication skills, spoken English, an ardent traveler, a travel blogger, a CBSE resource person, motivational speaker, a teacher trainer, and counselor, as some of the aspects of her personality are these. But above all, Aradhna Rana ma'am is an educator with a mission to bring in innovation in education to make it effective and realistic. And ma'am believes in a system that will keep up with progressive thought and lead the new generation toward developing life skills. All over to you, ma'am. Heartiest congratulations once again, and we're all ears to hear what you have to say to us this morning.
Thank you, Michelle, and thank you, Dr. Negi and Sanjeevani team for initiating this concept of sowing seeds of knowledge in young minds. You see, unless a seed is sown, nothing is reaped. So I hope this concept will flourish, multiply, and bloom into a garden to spread its fragrance around the world. I am honored to be a recipient of this prestigious award, and I wholeheartedly thank the Sanjeevani team, their partners, the esteemed guests from India and overseas, and the audience, the august audience that we have today here. You all have really made my day, and this fills me with energy to follow my passion for education with renewed vigor and enthusiasm. I'm sure it will inspire many others to contribute to education to usher in a better tomorrow. Thank you once again, deeply honored to be here.
It's our humble privilege and honor, ma'am. Thank you so much for presenting your pearls of wisdom with us. And God bless you and have a wonderful Sunday. Heartiest congratulations once again, ma'am.
Thank you.
Our next awardee is